guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Claude AI to create tables and lists. If you're using Claude AI and you want to use your Claude AI to create tables and lists, so let's see how can I do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser just go to Claude AI and make sure that you're signed into your account. And once you have done here, what you have to do, you just have to simply paste, or you have to simply write that make table or make list from the given text. So I have a simple example for this. I'm gonna pasting it here. Here's the example: create a table from the text below, and then you have to mention your output on the amount on the table, no explanations. And then you have to enter your columns. There's the name, role, and company, and there's a text. You have to enter your text just at the paragraph. And once I've done, just click on the submit button and just wait for its response. So here you can see it has successfully created a unique table. You can easily download if you want to get a PDF. You just have to click on or write, just create a PDF for this. So once you have done, it will create a PDF file for this. You can easily download and share it with other people. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.